What's up, YouTube? As you can see by the road and the snow that riding is difficult. Doing wheelies is almost impossible. That's one of my most favorite things. Oh, there's Hera. I bought some grip studs for the bike and I'm about to start screwing some of them in and see how they work out. I've got my grip studs there, my old DeWalt 18 volt drill, and as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see or not, but on these, some of these I have drawn X's with a Sharpie, and that's the pattern I'm going to follow around the tire. I've only got 100 grip studs, and after counting, it's not enough to do every knob on the tire, so I'm going to do these center ones obviously, and then on both sides, left and right, whatever, there's 3 knobs here, 3 knobs down here, and so on. I'm going to do those 3 knobs all the way around, and hopefully that allows me some wheelies in the snow and ice. Let's get into it. Alright, let's do it. Got my drill here with the installation tool from Grip Stud. You take your grip stud, get it the right way, put it in the tool just like that, and screw it in. Now, I've never done this before, so you guys are learning with me. That there. Get it centered more. Well, damn, that's pretty damn easy, actually. Huh. What's up, Hera? I didn't get it all the way down there, though. Yeah, we'll try that. Now, as I drop them, and another one in the tool. There. Huh, that's pretty neat. How does this look here? Still in the knob. Let's go with another one. Yeah, get in there. I can see why they say on the instructions not to use a hammer drill, and I think that's because you would probably mess up this tool doing that. Huh. That's pretty cool. Get them all the way down far enough. Now this tire's got TUbliss in it. I think there's about 4 psi in it right now. I'm not gonna bore you guys with 2 hours of me installing grip studs. So just gonna do a few here, and then show you the finished product. Whoa. Kind of weird to get them to go exactly where you want. Huh. Oh, those things are wicked. Now, let's put one up here. Huh, that seems like about the right distance. Huh, that's pretty damn cool. Alright. Let's put one over here on this one. those things are wicked. Right there. Wow, man. I can't wait to give these a shot. That one went off center a little bit. Oh, that's too cool. All right. I'm definitely gonna have to order more. These things cost about $1 a piece. About $1.20 a piece. It's about 120 bucks for 100 of these. These are the 1800R studs, the taller ones. One needs to go down a little further. Compared to the, the taller ones that Grip Studs recommends for dirt bikes. These side knobs, a little bit more difficult. And get them to go where you want. Yeah, that one. I've read out and seen the videos of people doing this with concrete screws and a bunch of other fucking stupid ghetto shit. Taking your tires off, drilling holes in them. I don't think so. Spend an hour or two at the drill, chilling out. On Grip Studs. Huh. Let's have a better look at that, I guess. I'm not gonna go all crazy showing you guys everything. These things are gnarly. Wow. All right then. I'll be back with you guys when I get this finished up. Well, here we go. I'm back at you again. I've got 100 of these Grip Studs screwed into the tire, and that wasn't even close to enough. Probably need another 25 to 40 more. I didn't really count or anything, but super simple, kind of time consuming. If you want to put one in every knob, it's going to take a minute. I tell you what, these things are fucking wicked looking though. So sharp. I'm just spinning the tire around to install them. Pretty much shredded the deck a little bit. I can't wait to try these things out. Unfortunately, I have to order some more, but I also discovered bad swing arm bearings, so I've definitely got stuff to do before I can really ride again. Oh well.